The 2000 Jaguar XJ. The Jaguar XJ has a strong, refined V8 engine, and the 6-speed automatic was very smooth, a true leader in their class, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tilt steering wheel, console. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.